Hello friends, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel which is called Odia Girl of Substance. Today's video is interesting, informative, and at the same time I feel that it is going to be very useful for all the females who are watching this video. So let me come straight to the topic. The topic is thyroid. Let me tell you, in India, out of 5, at least one female is having thyroid problem, and there are two type of thyroid. One is hypothyroid, another is hyperthyroid. So what are the symptoms? We all know that there would be a growth of hair, facial hair. We will feel fatigue and weight gain or weight loss. So these are the some of these symptoms that is seen in people, or especially women. Men also have thyroid, but it is very common in female. So you can see this picture of thyroid. It is located here, the throat area. So when there is when the secretion of T2 and T4 hormone decreases, then we have thyroid. How it is corrected? Mostly people start taking pills which increases the secretion or does artificial secretion of T4 hormone, but in long run it might control your thyroid, but it isn't the solution. So today in my video I am trying to help out all the female out there who are having thyroid problem with the home based remedy, and I'm sure this is going to help you. If you would follow my advice and do this for 3 months, you would see that half your problem is solved. So listen till the end. It is going to be informative and useful for you. I'm sure all of you must have heard about walnut oil. Well, I have shared this picture. This is the picture of walnut oil. You can easily order it online or get it in any kirana shop. How does it help and what you have to do? So here I will tell you what to do. This oil, simply you can take 3 to 4 drops of this oil and just massage it here. How long you have to massage? You have to massage for at least 5 to 10 minutes every day. Believe me, if you simply massage this oil in this area, you will see that after 3 months it has an amazing difference, because this area is directly associated to the pituitary gland that is there in the brain, and that helps and controls your thyroid. So what are you waiting for? Get your walnut oil and start massaging. I will share the link from where you can get as well. Second procedure is very simple, very easy. I'm sure all of you might be having coriander seeds at home. If you don't have, then please get it. Now you would ask me what to do with it. It's very simple. Just take a glass of water and add to it coriander seeds and keep it just like that covered overnight. The next morning, take the water in a pan and boil it. When you see that enough boil has come, just take it down, and when it is lukewarm, drink it. So why am I suggesting you coriander seed is the question. Let me tell you one more thing. Before you actually add coriander in the glass of water using a mortar pestle, just thresh it well. Do not grind it. Use a mortar pestle to thresh it, because if you grind it, then it would heat up and the important elements that is there in coriander seed would be really affected. So use a mortar pestle to thrash it, and then you add it in the glass of water, and the following steps. You have to take this glass of water having coriander seeds every day before breakfast, at least 30 minutes before breakfast, empty stomach. It would be very useful. If you I have a third alternative thing that you can do. If you can do all this, it would be really useful. If you can do at least one, would be useful. Just simply cut an onion and then take that onion and massage it here. I know it would be very smelly, but please do it for 10 to 15 minutes. It's going to be very useful because onion has such chemical which is really useful for controlling the thyroid gland. They will help improve the secretion of T4 and T2 hormones. Now, last but not the least, which I always mention, whether it is skin, whether it is hair, whether it is health, yoga is the solution to everything. Now, what are the kind of yogas that you can do to control thyroid? There are 3 important yogas that you need to do. And what are those? 1. Om Ucharan. Hold your breath and do Om Ucharan internally. You will see a kind of vibration here, and that's what you have to do. A simple vibration here will help improve the hormone secretion. Next is just take a deep breath. Hold the breath there and release using your left finger. This is one you have to do. All this exercise, if you can do for at least 1 minute, it would be really good. Last exercise is interesting. It might seem weird, but it is interesting. That is just like a lion or a tiger roars, you have to do similarly like this. It seems strange, right? But when you do this, there would be a vibration here, and your thyroid would be really useful. It would improve. Your thyroid would decrease and the secretion of T4 and T2 hormone would increase. And believe me, you will definitely give away those pills and your doctor would say what miracle has happened. So friends, yes, friend Swapna was here with this easy home remedy by which you can just get over thyroid from its roots. While medical science says that thyroid cannot be cured, I am telling you, if you follow these steps which I have said, you will see that after 3 months your thyroid has almost decreased. While it would not go very soon, it would go eventually in a year, but it would decrease to that level where almost it is not there. So in case you found my video interesting, informative, and it would help you in your life, then what are you waiting for? Please share this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe it immediately so that you can keep yourself posted with interesting videos like this. Thank you.